my husband come to America and he love to do honey cheer up I will help you no matter what oh look professional can you say it again what is this
This is a JDM 2ZZ GE engine from a Toyota Celica GTS from Japan.
oh, really
Really?
I import
Yep.
อันนี้คือ engine
That is a C60 6-speed transmission.
oh my goodness
And yeah, it's meant to go together with this engine.
oh
And this will make the car not only more reliable, but a little faster too.
like an
A little faster and more reliable, which is good. That's exactly what I want. I don't want it too fast, because like there are other motors that are faster and blah blah blah, and that's great, but I don't want this to become like a race car. I just want it maybe a little bit faster, handle a little bit better, and most of all be more reliable. That's the main thing.
what do you mean like fast you're fast is like
It's a little faster.
80
I don't know exactly.
so we will put that part into the bag have fun
I think this engine is pretty good condition. I'm looking at the PCV valve on yours. I threw it away, but like yours was all like black and stuck. This looks clean. You know, I checked all the spark plugs. They all look good. There's no oil on them. But the PCV valve on the Lexus, that was all like
Black.
stock. The PCV valve on Spidey's engine was really bad too. But this is like, this looks perfect. You can hear the rattle, so that's a good sign. That's the thing, when you check the PCV valve, make sure it rattles.
oh nice
So,
good time to spend the time together family like in the garage
you see like this, I believe is the normal cam, which opens up the valve. I don't know if this is the intake side or the exhaust side. But then when you get to lift, which is about 6,000 RPM, it switches over to this cam, which is gives you the extra boost in power. So this is like, this is not like the engine that's in Spidey. This is definitely more of a performance motor. But so far, good news is that the previous owner seemed to do regular oil changes and take care of this thing, which is good for me, who's buying this motor secondhand. Definitely want to check out all the cams. You'll notice that this motor sounds a lot different than the motor that's in there right now, which everything works. So you're welcome.
you think that
I know that.
you know that
I know that. I don't think I know that.
you're like 1,000%. You think like I'm really impressed, happy.
I don't know about that, but it's one of those things where you'll be happy that you learned this for the future, honey.
For the future?
Yeah.
This is the future?
No, in the future, when you have to do some work like this, you're like, oh, I've done that. I know how to motor work. I know a camshaft. I know the valves. I know valve springs. I know timing chain.
You think that I should to talk this with my friend, a girly friend, and hey, you know.
No, you're your tomboy friend.
Oh, honey, I just have the lady boyfriend.
You have lady.
Yeah. And then don't know about this stuff too แต่ไม่เป็นไรนะ I love you Daddy Honey are you happy to spend the time together
Of course.
in the garage with the new engine with the Spidey
Of course. Of course.
Thank you. Can you show me it again? Wow! Oh my god, honey! Oh my god! Oh, you can clean that. It's like like when I did my makeup and I clean my face. You can help me to do that as well. Would you mind?
I mean, your face isn't that dirty.
Honey, don't you know about the woman face when after makeup? Oh my god. Oh, so you know how to use the makeup remover? Okay, it's the same, honey. It's the same.
You know why I'm doing this?
And,
So it makes a better seal. When I put it back together, nothing will leak out. It'll be tight.
อ๋อใช่ฮะ
Yeah. Sorry.
อุ้ย
Sorry, man.
อ่า
Did it get you?
no oh my god oh my god good job
Oh
goodbye
my god! It worked!
yeah you can do it wow oh my god save time
Saved a lot of time.
oh,
I didn't have to take any of that other stuff out.
so you need to test it with the
Dude, this totally worked. Nobody on YouTube did it this way. Everyone on YouTube took apart everything else.
oh good that I
But-
see that before I
But
leave
you know, like you could read the comments on YouTube. The one guy commented, he's like, "No, don't do all that work. Just get this left-handed drill set
you
and
can-
do it this way." So I read not the video, but the comments told me to do it this
You
way.
can go to write a comment like, hey, I did it. Just do it. Good, good job. Happy for you, honey, but I need to go.
I'm so excited. Okay. I gotta go.
ทุกวัน
Gotta go fast.
ทุกวัน Miss Spidey every day every night
Alright, I'm ready for your help, honey.
Okay Hi, I'm gonna get the new engine.
Mm-hmm.
This guy. This guy.
Can't get it off. But
Okay.
with this, I think we can have a good chance of getting it off. Here we go. The brace I put, look in the front. See that?
Yeah, you told me.
No, not this one. This one in the front. I just recently did that one.
One more.
Yeah, in front of this one.
1, 2, 3, that way.
Yeah,
The blue
this
one.
one you didn't see that one before.
Oh. Oh, you get more of that?
Yeah, to make it handle better.
Good. Spidey have a good life forever.
I work hard so Spidey can have a good life.
Do you have a question on yourself? Like, oh, you go to work and come.
On this side, basically just cut the boot off, and then I break off the snaps with using those vice grips, and then you can grab the rubber with the channel lock and just kind of twist it to free it from the axle, and then you can just kind of pull.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for what? You can do it. You can do it. I'm proud of you.
This one's off already. Apparently those don't need to come off, but I'm kind of confused. Oh.
Here for this ตรงนี้ตรงนี้ตรงไหนลูก What else
Can you just kind of keep a hand on this? I know, but you're like the way you said, you're like, you know.
It seems like you play with me. Ask me to
No.
do and then just finally you thought, oh, take this out, okay.
Okay, what I'm thinking is we should open up the garage door, but we can't because that's in the way. So, because I mean, I can wiggle this out. I mean, yeah, I can wiggle this whole thing out, but then there's nowhere to go because I can't move this out, you know?
Yes, I know.
So I'm going to lower it back down.
นี่นะคะตอนนี้ take it everything out except this.
I don't know. I don't know if this is the answer or not.
เอาอันนี้ออกมันก็จะได้เหรอไหนน้องอันนี้คืออะไร
Battery connection.
Battery connection Battery connection Okay
Can you come over here? Don't take it yet.
What are you doing? What is that?
Dee-dee-dee-dee. What?
You feel like you pee be a red. Good job. I dream come true, huh? You can take a photo with the engine. Emotion, you're like an
Emotion?
yeah, just say thank
All right.
you, goodbye.
There's no way I could have done this without Rasu Khan Giblin. She's actually a very strong lady, and she kept that a secret this whole time. But now today I learned the truth that she is a very strong lady because she grew up on, you know, Thai farm and did a lot of hard work, so she has a lot of muscle.
I don't want.
And, helped me lift up this very heavy engine, and I'm like, oh honey, too heavy, and she said, oi, easy now, and she lifted it up, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe it.
You take photo with this. I don't want you to say.
You know what the story.
And then ding. Wow, it's the same color.
Yeah.
The same shiny. Oh, what did? Oh my god.
Yes, I think it's better.
Oh, my life in America. To be with this guy.
Yeah.
He's a genius.
No.
He's the son of what is his name? Hi Chris. I don't know how many days from day one and now a day something, but it's like we come to the halfway or no, or almost, or just like it's the begin, because he just changed this and he add more. What did you call this? Okay.
Oil pressure and oil temperature gauges.
Yeah, professional right now, and maybe in the future we will open the shop.
Maybe that would be nice.
Yeah.
So, yeah, maybe you can help me with something.
Sure. ตอนนี้ วันนี้ ก็มาถึง Lady and gentlemen
That's a full GE from Japan with a C60 transmission.
right now Christopher gonna be represent how to
Team Cooper Park Racing.
check this out from this engine nothing and
Look how
gonna
shiny this is.
take
Look how
it.
nice. Oh my god. It's got a full aluminum intake, not a stupid plastic one like on the 1ZZ. 2ZZ GE. G stands for performance. And then F on the 1ZZ, FE stands for economy. This is not economy, this is performance.
For me I don't know and I
Ooh, got my Lotus. It's a Lotus
That's
motor.
bad.
Lotus.
Every man will know about this.
Lotus?
Uh-huh.
It's not as popular as like Ferrari and Lamborghini, but still, I like it.
Okay, we're gonna take it inside and
Let's do it.
it's too heavy. I'm just like, okay, let's go. I don't know too. I don't know. I got key. With my husband.
That's okay. It doesn't
Lovely
matter.
husband. But this is the hobby, but he make a hobby like the main job, and he a lovely husband. And I help him with something like this really heavy. Like, please, no offense, but yeah, welcome to my life in America. Oh, nice. Good. He looks sexy, see? He looks so sexy. Couple. Ja, Chris Ja. Chris,
Hey, oh,
how are you?
I'm doing great.
Are you happy
Yeah, I'm pretty happy.
with
We made a lot of progress thanks to you, honey. I really appreciate your help.
this? I don't know what is it, but a lot of things. This stole my time for my husband. That's all I know. And he is. He's so happy so much ใช่ไหม Congratulations. Bye.
Oh my god, it's a Lotus. Yamaha. Tony, you see that?
No.
Yeah. Tony. On this side. Tony.
ตรงนี้
Yamaha.
Yamaha.
This motor was designed by Yamaha and Toyota, but you know Yamaha is known for racing, and so it has like the
Look at his smile.
racing.
Too smile. Honey, bye. Go. Bye กันเถอะ Right?
Yeah, that's right. Job, honey. Look at you. Oh, hey, I just came home from work. What are you doing? You're working on a car.
Yeah, I take the model out
Oh,
and take
you're,
it in.
you're putting it back in.
Yeah,
Oh, what a lady.
I want to work here.
I had no
for my
idea. So this is what you're doing
husband.
all day, huh? This is what you're doing in the morning and afternoon? Wow.
อันนี้เร็ว
What a super lady.
And after that I will go to
So what motor are you putting in your car?
What is motor? CC.
Two?
2cc.
A 2ZZ?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it from the Toyota
Celica.
so something. And yeah, produce a Lotus. And yeah.
Okay, all right.
Boy, honey.
Perfect. Thank you, honey.
Don't worry. I don't know too. I don't know. I got key. With my husband.
That's okay. It doesn't
Lovely
matter.
husband. But this is the hobby, but he make a hobby like the main job, and he a lovely husband. And I help him with something like this really heavy, like this. No offense, but yeah, welcome to my life in America. Oh, nice. Good. You look sexy, see? You look so sexy. Couple. Ja, yes, Ja. Yes, how are you doing?
I'm okay now.
You can do it. I'm proud of you. Okay.
This.
This is challenge that
Changed my life.
you like. Okay.
I don't know where the other half is. Yeah.
Wow! Congratulations!
Running.
Oh my god! Look at you!
Just go ding and it works.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh my god! Good job! Welcome back, Spidey. You have a life. Ten. Happy, Mike?
Yeah, but I don't know why it's working with that computer and not the other computer.
Yeah, but you pick it. Good job! Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
boys and girls and transgender and everyone. You, he, she, they,
You, me, everyone.
everyone. Today we represent
I don't know, honey. I'm getting pretty nervous starting this thing.
these guys moved from Thailand and his dream to have
I can't see anything else that would prohibit the car from starting. I mean, everything is hooked up. Unless it's something I did with the wiring, but I triple checked all my wiring, so I can't believe that would be it. Alright, well, let's try, I suppose. It was the ECU.
Oh, it should be like this.
Yeah.
A one shot. Oh, congratulations! Ring. How do you feel?
I don't know. At the moment, I feel pretty good.
Thank God, thank Chris.
I'm confused because, like, I can't believe. Yeah, it was the ECU. It was this the whole time. It was a stupid. I was like, I check everything because it's very rare for the ECU to be bad.
Wow, look at this. Wow.
Yeah, that's gonna go like right there, like that.
Okay, so welcome back.
I could change the color, like the hot tub. Yeah.
Congratulations.
White's pretty cool.
Congratulations, Christopher Paul Giblin. Finally, he made it.
This thing was almost, this was $400.
Oh, really?
Yes. But the guy said he'd take it back, but at minus 20%.
Okay.
Because it's over 30 days. I can't believe that was it. That was it.
That was it. That was
The
it.
ABS light is on, so that means brakes I gotta do, but that's...
You want to try one more time?
No, I want to put it back together now if I can.
Okay. Ah, it turned. The wheel turned. Everything worked. Oh, look at you. Look at you. How are you?
Let me smell this.
Get out. Oil.
Normal.
Happy. Happy, Chris.
I can't...
Protect. Final protect.
Yeah, and the temperature gauge works. The only thing is the ABS light is on, but I got this little computer. We can plug it in.
That is computer.
But no. This is the OBD2 scan tool.
ในที่สุดนะคะ finally เราก็ได้
My phone, really?
รถมา
There's a lot of heat shields. And then I gotta put the like little cross beam back on. Where does this one go? Remember where this one goes, honey?
I'm done. No. Honey, if I know, it's possible. I cannot be your wife without know everything.
No, but yeah, there are. Crazy.
ตอนนี้จะประกอบรถกลับไปแล้ว
All these gotta go back in.
ตอนนี้จะเอาอะไรก็ไม่รู้
I don't know where they all go.
ไม่รู้เลย
I think this one goes down below because there's black paint on it when I paint.
You remember with that? Good. Oh my god, I just saw it. It's like it have nothing. Oh my god, honey. Congratulations.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, everything
It's running really well.
fast.
It's way faster too.
Oh, enjoy. I'm sorry, I'm kind of just.
Yeah. You're busy, so.
I'm just. Welcome back to MR2.
MR2 Spidey. With,
Come back.
Oh, and Chris.
Come back to survive.
Toyota Mechanics.
Oh, look at you. Come back.
So, honey, what did we do to this car?
I don't know. I do not.
We changed out the... Which engine did it used to have?
Honey, I can't remember.
1cc. And now what's inside?
2cc.
2ZZ. Is it? What country is this 2ZZ from?
Japan.
Oh, it's from Japan. And wait, what else do we do?
Oh, do you have many things?
How many gears did it have before?
6 right now.
Yeah, but before it had...
Before you have 5.
5.
5 gear. Right now we have 6 like years as
That's right.